this is Leonida's World. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you. Today I'm going to be showing you all of my fidgets. So let's go.
Just gonna drop it?
No, just
it will be fun.
No, don't drop it. Oh, gee. Okay. So I don't know which one to start off with. There's so many. This isn't supposed to be on there. So first, I'm gonna start off with my silicone fidget. So let's go. So first I have this puppet, a yellow puppet. It's a yellow puppet that has a loud side and another loud side. Some you can get with like loud sides and quiet sides. I have another puppet like that, so I'm just gonna put these. So now I have this one. So look. Can't hear anything, do you? No. Okay. Now I have dimple digits. So it's like a rainbow. It goes up to 10. There's like texture and it's not going to be like that. I bought that for like £25 or something. My water snake. Water snake. Oh. And then I have my putty. So it's coming out of the jar.
Okay, you don't have to open that.
No, I'll open it. It's okay. It's not like slime. Okay. So here's the putty. It's so good. I'm going to show you. So it's orange with glitter. It feels so good. Hello. Okay, I'm going to put it away and get on to the next thing. So that will just... So now I have another one of these, but I think it's over there somewhere, but yeah. So I have a glow up spike ball. Wrong way around. It's so bouncy. And has this texture. Now let's go into the other one. I'm gonna buy these guys. Santa gave them from me. So I can't tell you where these are from because Santa gave them to me for Christmas last year. So what you're supposed to do is throw it up and you can like do this as well, and it's really nice on your hands. And I have all different colors. So, next step is monkey noodle. This is just putty on here. This is pretty pink. Okay, so here are all my monkey noodles. If you want to buy them, they're from Amazon. These ones are from Amazon. These ones, I think. So these are rainbow coloured. These are just like random.
So what do you do with that?
These. So you just play with them like this and see the texture if you have textured ones. And you can also make them into bracelets. If you go over here, there's a little hole if you have these ones. Then you can use it as a bracelet. Put it on my hands. It stays perfectly, see? And if you don't have that, you can just tie these in knots and stuff, and you can still put it on your wrist. And then we have these spike balls that I got from a package, like a fidget package, I think. And these are actually for texture as well. So they're very sticky. As you can see, they're picking up hairs, so they're so sticky. Then the last object is my big bopper. I got this from a fidget package as well. So these are hard to pop out, these ones, but the middle one's easy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you liked this video. I'll see you again. Bye for now.